Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. Happy Sunday, you guys. Today I'm about to be making some breakfast with you guys. I got up and I got ready and I decided I wanted to make these fall inspired pancakes. I had seen these pancakes on Pinterest like a long time ago, and they stuck with me because growing up I used to eat this cake a lot. I'm gonna be making pineapple upside down pancakes. Doesn't that sound so good? I know obviously it's like hella dessert, but we deserve it every once in a while, you know what I'm saying? And Sunday breakfast, to me, I always grew up having like the best Sunday breakfast too. Like my mom would always go all out for Sunday. And I want to do the same thing for Kai. I want my son to grow up knowing that his mom always took care of him. Every Sunday special, and every day can be special if you make it special, you know what I'm saying? And that is something that I really wanted to do with today's recipe, you guys. I'm making some turkey bacon with ours and also some turkey sausage because it is my hubby and baby's favorite. Had so much fun last night with my friend Veronica, and our babysitting situation fell through, you guys, so we didn't get to kick it all night with them. That made me a little sad, but I'm glad that we still got to spend a little time with her, to go to her house and chill with her for a little while. And I'll insert clips here. Right, Malachi? Smoothie using our new blessed flavor in chalk coconut. I have a discount code of LeslieBP if you want to try it out. I'm adding it into our smoothie today with strawberries, banana, pineapple, and almond milk. Yeah, woo! Look at Malachi's haircut. His daddy just gave him a fresh haircut. Let me see. Let me see. Ooh, Papa looking handsome. Let's blend this up. It is so good, you guys. The smoothie, so delicious. Must try. I go chill at my friend Veronica's house today, so I want to start getting ready and take a shower. I'm sweating. I had a really good full body workout. Feel really good, and I'm just trying to stay hydrated. And I'm gonna start getting ready. We are on our way to my friend's house already. I forgot to show y'all like my whole outfit look, but I love how my makeup came out. As you guys can see, I look super glowy, and Malachi's here with us because he's gonna be coming with us to my friend's house. And I packed a bag of goodies, so I wanted to show y'all real quick what we're gonna be taking. My husband's at the liquor store right now buying some tequila because I know my friend Veronica loves blue pineapple margarita. That's how you say it. Blue Island. No, I had some Blue Island punch pucker. I was like, I'm gonna bring in this Island pucker to make the blue margaritas, some pineapple juice, chamoy, and then also some limes I chopped up and shot glasses. And then this is her gift I need to get her. You know, us Hispanics waiting till the last minute to have a little bag, so we're getting a bag right now and some tequila. I'll be heading to my friend's house. Nice to be able to hang out with your friend and also bring your kid along, and then come home at a good time where you don't feel like crap the next day, you know what I'm saying? Thank God I feel good. It was really fun. So happy birthday to my homegirl Veronica. She's super sweet. I got to cook it up and have a bomb breakfast, so let's go ahead and get started on that. So the pancake mix is like nice and ready, but I'm gonna add in a little bit of the brown sugar to the pancakes only because I want them to have that flavor of brown sugar already in there. So I'm gonna start with 1 tablespoon. Like these pancakes, I'm sure are gonna be super sweet that they won't even need syrup, you know? I love pineapple, so I know these are gonna be bomb, and my hubby likes pineapple too. Adding butter to the pan, and I want a good amount of butter on here. And then I'm gonna add in just a little bit of the brown sugar. So we got our pancake mix, we got our pineapples, we got our chopped cherries, our brown sugar. So here's our butter and brown sugar mixture. I'm gonna start pouring in the pancake. There goes one. That, and then we're gonna flip them once they start getting cooked. Oh my god, you guys, I just flipped the pancakes to like make sure that they're fully cooked, and they look so good. Look at that. Oh my god, and they smell so good too. These would be so cute for like a brunch. I'm gonna keep making all the pancakes, speed through it because I'm hungry. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing eggs, bacon, and the sausage with our pancakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through that, and I'll show you guys the end result. Pancakes to come out bomb, trust me, they do. I already had a little sneak peek taste. Add all that butter, add all the butter, add the brown sugar to the pan and let it melt, or maybe making like a melted butter and brown sugar concoction that we can like spread would have been really good too, but I didn't think about that. These bad boys. Are done, and they look and smell delicious. The cherry, the pineapple, and the brown sugar, hubby's already eating and he said they were really good. So let me do a little taste test with you, even though I snuck and tasted earlier. These are bomb. Happy Thursday, you guys. I decided to vlog today because I wanted to talk to you guys about a few things. And I also wanted to show you a few things. Guys, the other day I bought a gel kit. Now, hear me out. I love gel polish. I love nail polish. Back in the day, I used to love getting my nails done, like actual acrylics. But honestly, my first love has always been nail polish. Back then, when I had the time, when I started painting my nails, Like I used to change my polish like every 2 days, you know, because I had the time, I wasn't a mom, and I wasn't doing all the things that I do as a housewife, as a, you know, a woman that stays home. Like I feel like it's very different. And then when I had acrylics on, I would notice that my acrylics would never last. They would get really, really dry. My cuticles would be really ugly and dry because I felt like I was doing too much in my house, like washing, cooking, cleaning, folding, like all that stuff, and my nails would never look good. A few years back, I wanted to do gel nails at home as well, and I had bought me this LED lamp from Amazon, and I've had it for such a long time, and I think I've used it maybe once. After I had my son, I tried doing my own gel nails at home, and I had bought some stuff from Sally Hansen, and like the polish was trash. Let me just tell you, it was like so see-through, like not worth it, not worth it. Watched a bunch of YouTube videos on it and TikToks and everything, so I was like, let me just try it. I knew I still had my lamp, so I had checked on Amazon. Let me sit y'all down real quick. Got this one, Beetles gel polish, and it was highly rated on Amazon. So it says that you can cure it with the LED lamp. Same brand, they had a black polish. So that was the other thing. Like I kept seeing that this brand had like kits of polishes, like with a bunch of colors in them, and I'm like, man, I don't know which color to get. And it's fall time, and honestly, one of my favorite polish colors to wear, especially honestly all year round, is black. I love black polish, you guys. Let me just try it, and if this is a good brand, then I'm gonna go ahead and buy their kits, because they had like kits that was like nude, darker nudes, brown, and like burgundy, like perfect fall tones, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, let me just try it. I already filed my nails, so my nails are like perfectly filed already, like the shape I want. But I still need to push my cuticles back, and I still kind of need to like roughen up the nails a little bit, that way it adheres good. My nails with you guys, try this gel polish out, see how it, you know, how it looks, how it turns out. Kai slept in today, so he's kind of like in a chill mood, so I'm hoping that he's gonna let me do this. I hope. And I feel like gel polishes low-key are kind of fast, because like you just cure them, like, so it's a faster manicure than like traditional manicures. I'm gonna just start pushing my cuticles back with this. Pushing all these cuticles back. How do we keep Kai entertained? Let me see. Tell us. Look. Hi guys. Give me kitty. The next step is to dehydrate our nails, and the ladies, like, sometimes they have that dehydrator, but a lot of the videos I was seeing that you can use regular acetone, or not regular, but 100% acetone to dehydrate the nails. Foundation, which is like the base coat, and do a nice even layer, avoiding the cuticles as much as possible. If you do get some on the cuticles, it's okay. We'll just have to like clean it off, and then we'll cure for like 60 seconds. Stories yesterday. And for yourself, I was thinking about how, like, when I used to go to work, people get up, they get dressed, they fix their hair, they brush their teeth, they wash their face, you know, they put themselves together, and then they go out into their, you know, into the world and start working, right? And I was thinking, because like that's their job, that's how they show up for themselves. And us people that stay home, whether you're a stay-at-home mom or you're just a person that works from home, I feel like it's easier to like, well, no one's gonna see me, like who cares, you know? And that's something I talk a lot about on my channel. So there goes the first layer. It is a dry, woohoo! I'm gonna go ahead and start on the second layer, but I'm gonna keep talking. I'm gonna try to see if I can get everything on camera, like me talking and painting my nails, but if I can't, I'm sorry. You know, you guys, I was thinking how we should get ready every single day, even if you just stay at home, because it's like when people go to work, they get up and get ready, right? They fix their hair, they fix their face, they do all that stuff, and then they clock in for their job for the day. Well, I was thinking, like, as a stay-at-home mom, that is the job that you're doing. You know, that is where you clock to feel and look my best. And then I start doing all the other shit I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Alright, you guys. So I just finished curing the nails, all of them. And I love it. Very sticky still. And the lady was saying that that does happen. So what you need to do is use alcohol onto your nails. I'm just gonna spray mine down with some alcohol. They look so good. Look at this super cute warmer, you guys, I got on Amazon. I love it. Little fall vibes. That's all I have, you guys. I need to buy more fall decor. I wanted to share it with you guys. I got this one. Spiced Ember Glow. And look how cute. She always does it super. Look how cute this one is. Angel Experiment. Wow, that is so cute. It's a Disney one. I love Disney scents. Very good. Smelled so good. I'm gonna burn this one right now in my warm. Thank you so much, girl. I'm so excited. So to change out my warmers, you guys, I just get a knife and take it out, or you can let it get warm and then use like a cotton swab or something like this to just soak it up. But I usually just pop them out on literally, like, look, you're done. You just popped it out. You're good to go. So cute. Now in the back, it's like imprinted what it has. So this one has like pumpkin, strawberries. Super cute. I like that. So we're gonna just do one. Hope you guys try out these recipes. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.